Hey guys, so I know this is kind of a bad setup, but today I'm going to be unboxing two plants that I got from pip.co. You can follow them on Instagram too. I'm gonna be quiet now and open this. So this is like my first time ordering from them and my second time ordering from an online store. I ordered from them before, not from them, from another shop, and those plants are currently struggling, so hopefully these will be good to go. This is I forgot which one's which. Ooh, I don't want to like crush them. This is, ooh, so exciting. It's an enjoy, Pothos enjoy. Oh my god, I've never seen one in real life. It's so pretty. Hopefully I don't kill it. And hopefully this audio does not suck. Oh my god, how pretty is it? Oh my god. I think this one's gonna have to have more sun, right? If you guys have any tips on how to take care of a Pothos enjoy, please leave them down in the comments below. Oh, it's a little crisp from here. I might just cut that leaf off or not. I really love the variegation. Like, I thought this variegation, like in some photos I've seen the variegation a little bit of like kind of golden yellowish. I thought the variegation was going to be kind of like the golden pothos, but it's actually really white. I really like it. It's so pretty. I love this leaf. This one needs a lot of sunlight, I think, so I'm gonna have to keep it close by to a window. Again, hopefully I don't kill it. Now this one's gonna go right there. Now this one is, now the enjoy was on my wish list, recently got onto my wish list, but this one that I have here has been on my wish list basically since forever. Also, hopefully I don't kill this one. I should have gotten some scissors. Struggling a bit here. This is a tiny little 4-inch. They're both 4 inches. A tiny little 4-inch. Sorry, I'm excited. I'm all over the place. A tiny little 4-inch monstera. Oh my god. I cannot wait until this guy grows big. Well, first of all, I have to make sure I don't kill it. Guys, if my voice is annoying, I'm sorry. I am not good at this. How pretty is it? It's so cute. They also, like, in packaging, they put this little hay stuff. I really like how they packaged it. Sorry if I keep on coming out of the frame. I just am not really focusing on what I'm doing on the camera, so if this video sucks, I am sorry. I am also filming with my phone. So I'm kind of sitting down at a weird angle to try to get the shots. I really hope my neighbors can't hear me because they're gonna be like, this. What is she doing? It's kind of difficult to take off, but it's better than, I don't know, is this biodegradable? Do not know. I made a mess. Oh dear. Oh look, you can see. Is this a root? I don't know, but look how pretty it is. Kind of looks like the heart leaf philodendron. It's so cute. I love the new growth. Now I was gonna get from another site a Monstera Deliciosa for like a bigger pot, but that online store has kind of a weird reputation, so I didn't want to risk it. But you know, maybe it's probably just me. It's this. You got a little bug right there or something. This leaf has some stuff on it, don't know what it is. But there is my Monstera. Now let me take off the... Actually, you know what? I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm really awkward, guys. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. When you try to get the thumbnail, but like, why? If I don't even know how to put on a thumbnail. But yes, guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you want to shop from that store, it's piep.co, and that's also their Instagram. And wish me luck and give me some tips on how to care for these two guys.